Alright, Sunday morning, about 7 a.m. Just heard a big truck pull in. I was sound asleep because my phone don't work out here. And I got this big brand new Kubota out here gonna knock a bunch of trees down for me. I'll be back in a little while. Show you more. Solar's going in soon. Okay, we're getting ready to take this big oak tree down. Hopefully those dead branches up there don't hit my building. But I'm not taking no chances with these trees. They're coming down. Alright, I'll be back when I got more to show. Alright, he's trying to rock it. Brand new Kubota right there. Got 16 hours on it. We're gonna have to dig it some more. Be back in a few minutes. Taking a bunch of trees down today so I can put my solar power up. These trees are killing me. I'll be back. Okay, you're gonna try it again. Oh, she's going this time. She goes. Good deal. Guess I should be looking at what I'm doing. Still early, 8 o'clock in the morning. I ain't had my coffee yet. Didn't know he was showing up today. Let him curl that right on out there. Fantastic. All right, many more to go. I'm gonna cut this off, I'll be back. All right, there's another big shagbark hickory. I hate taking it down, but I gotta do what I gotta do. I got 17 acres of woods out here. I'm loaded up with them, so it's gonna go to firewood. And all these trees in here are coming down. I got about good 20 of them. And by the end of the day, he said he can even take this big one down. And that son of a gun is kind of in my way. I hate to cut it down. It's a beautiful tree, but it's close to the house and it's kind of messing me up. So we'll see what happens, but I think that one's going, and take all those little ones down too. So it's about 20 more trees at least coming. Well, that one went down without a fight. All right, I'll be back. 20-some trees I got to go root ball and cut the roots off them. Okay, here's what we're doing. I got a bunch of these trees down. I'm cutting the stumps off them. Then old Jordan, that's Jordan Booth in that Kubota. He drags these big suckers out the woods for me. And I cut the big pieces off, stacking them over there in a pile while I get to them later. And I'm pushing the tops over in a pile, because that's a lot of good firewood too. So that's Booth excavating over here once again. He's the only guy I use. Good old boy. We just had a quick bit of lunch. Now watch, he's gonna drag this one right out with that thumb, and I'll cut it up with the chainsaw. These are big logs. These are maple trees. That's what he's been doing. Moves them around like they're friggin' toothpicks. And I've been cutting them up. Sorry if I'm moving around. I'm standing on the hill and not paying attention. That Kubota just drags them right out of the woods. So I get my firewood. That's how we're doing it. That little Kubota's brand new. That had 16 hours this morning when he woke me up. I was here at like 6:45, I think. Tried calling me, but my damn phone don't work. So anyway, I got 1, 2, 3, 4. This one maybe 5 more to do, and I probably got 8 laying on the ground. I got to go cut up, get rid of these big root ball stumps, and then I'll cut these up for firewood at a later date. And now I got a good bit of light coming in from my solar to get put in, and with that truck sitting, I got a big load of crushing run coming in the morning. So anyway, that's a big piece of timber. The old Husqvarna getting a good workout today, me too. Alright, I'll be back now. Alright, here's a little update. I think we've got about maybe 5 more trees to go, that's it. Thank goodness, 'cause I'm here to tell you I'm gonna slap out. You get yourself a piece of property and you want to go off grid and build yourself a homestead, I'm here to tell you, you ain't gonna need no damn gym membership. You're gonna be busy 7 days a week. I got blisters on my blisters, and I'm damn near ready to pass out. It's about 85 right now. So you gotta knock that tree down. And I think there's 3 or 4 more gonna go. I got most of those down there. Got the stumps cut off them. They're laying where I can cut them up for firewood. That new Kubota 80 series is unbelievable. He's whipping these trees around like they're toothpicks. We'll be done here shortly. We should have good solar intake now throughout the day. Trees that were in here were killing me about 1 p.m. We're going into fall now. So the sun is, you know, well, the sun's the same place it always is, but the earth is tilting and it's getting further setting down towards the back now. If that makes any sense. Alright, I'm trying to make this not an hour long, but this is what's going on. Sunday morning, now going into Sunday afternoon. Been waiting about 2 months for him to get it break to come out here. He gets done here today, he's going to Florida on vacation, I guess. Alright, I'll be back. Alright, I just thought I'd show this. That little tree, well, it's not little, probably about 11, 12 inches around. She's hanging up in that tree, he's going to rip it right out, watch. She goes, she's going to roll it. That's Jordan Booth in there riding that machine. That boy knows what he's doing. There it goes. Quite the operator. She goes. And she's hung in that tree. He'll push it down. Timber. Now those 2 that were just tangled up, they're coming down next. Alright, I'll be back. I gotta go stump that one. Okay, there's 2 more trees marked for death. And there's one way down there, which I don't know if I'm even going to take it. This place has opened up so much, it's incredible. And I'm here to tell you, I'm exhausted. So hopefully with another hour or so, we'll be all done here. And it'll be time to take a breather. I'm wore out. It's about 1:30, I think, now. Alright, I'll be back. Just gonna move those trees I just cut, I think. I got firewood for the next 3 years, at least. Well, maybe it's gonna knock them over. Tell you what, those trees don't look that big till they're on the ground. You start cutting them up. There it goes. She got, I got a twofer. Yeah, sharing the trunk. Fantastic. What a job. Alright, I gotta go crawl down there and stump it now. That's gonna be fun. I got one more sitting down there with an X on it. I don't know if I'm gonna bother taking it. We'll see how he feels when he moves. Those big trees that I cut down are all gonna go in a pile. Backfill these stump holes in, and I'm gonna call it a day, I believe. Okay, here it is, almost 3 o'clock. I just hit the EQ button to see how much power I had in my temporary solar. It's about 2,000 watts out there on the ground. Got 1174 coming in when I hit the EQ. Normally I would have about 300 at this time and then down to nothing. So this is huge. And now we're floating again. Got a few more trees I want to get rid of. We're almost done. Okay, here's a final glimpse. It's about 20 minutes to 5. I'm absolutely exhausted. I can't even talk. Look at all these trees to cut up. I cut all the stumps off them. We took a good 30 trees out of here today. Over there by that log pile, that's where all the trees were, plus in here. A few moments ago, well maybe 45 minutes ago, I had so much sunlight coming in on my panels. I was running the water heater in the toy hauler off the electric element, and those panels were still putting out power. That's unbelievable. Normally this time of day I gotta fire up the generator for a couple hours. So anyway, there it is. It's probably gonna be one of my longer videos, but this was just a crazy amount of work got done here today. Now I got a nice, it's beautiful pulling up through here. You can see all this coming all the way up the road. Got about a 500-foot driveway. There it is. There's going to be 3 solar trackers here within the next month, if all goes well. Possibly 4. Alright, that's it for now. Tennessee Off-Grid Project signing out. Later.